Hello guys, so here is the Merak Protocol Testnet on SUI blockchain. The testnet just went live about a week ago, so meaning that we are super early on this one, and it's happening on SUI blockchain. As we all know, the SUI blockchain has been doing listing wonderful projects recently, so I believe this will not be an exemption. So to proceed, all you need to do is to paste this link to your Mrs. browser. Use a desktop mode, like if you are using mobile, make sure you're on desktop mode. So I'm using PC and I'll just connect my wallet. It's either you connect your Slush wallet or your Suiet. So I'm using this Slush. So I'm gonna continue with this. This is a testnet, so we will switch to testnet option after connecting the wallet. Okay. So token counts mean okay. So I'll just come back to my SUI wallet. You know, this SUI wallet changed to Slush, Slush or whichever. So yeah, I'm gonna switch to testnets. Manage accounts. Okay, sorry. I'll come to network. You see, it's other mainnet. Then I'll select testnet. Then I have this. So meaning that you first of all need to download. So what's it called? Your SUI wallet. If you don't have a SUI wallet, you should download a wallet first. So I've switched to testnet. I need to claim faucet. So I'm gonna copy my receive address and go to their faucet page. And there is a way to also claim faucet here. I don't know if they've removed it, because before I used to see where to claim faucet here. I want to be sure. Yeah, from the SUI app itself, the SUI wallet app, you can see request SUI token. This is a faucet token they want you to create. You can see faucet.suinetwork.io or something like that. So let's see if I can request here. Okay, I'll just connect wallet and just select this mesh. Okay, I think they already pasted my address here. Okay, so there should be a captcha here to complete so that I can click on request. I have to complete a captcha. I don't know why it's not bringing it. That's one thing about SUI faucet. But it seems I'm having just few quantity here in my wallet. Let me just use that to conclude this video, then I'll continue requesting faucets later. So the next thing is to go back to the Merak app, which is this, and click on WAP. So here's the WAP, as you can see on top of the page. So WAP your SUI testnet token. Now you have wSUI. So I'm gonna WAP this. Select source token. So enter amount. Let me enter 0 points because I'll be needing a scarce fee too. I'll just use the one I have here to complete this. Right, have I worked? Oh, let me not go and work twice. Okay, so I will now click on swap. Let me see if I've wrapped already. Okay, I think it was not successful. I'll go back to the swap and okay, 0 points. Just showing processing. Okay, yeah. Now it's bringing out the verification, the transaction details. Okay, I think that is taking too long. Let me just hold on for the confirmation. That's taking forever already. So the swap is successful now. So I can go back to this swap. You can see from this swap page they've deducted I'm having 0 point something. I retained gas fee. So don't go and wrap everything that you have on your testnet account. So here now I have wSUI, and now I can proceed to do the swapping. Swap some token. Currently support few wraps. Then I will swap to, okay, I can swap to anyone. I can swap to this W star. Okay, so I'll just enter 0.001 because I still need this one for gas fee. Once I receive another testnet, I will continue to with the swapping. So I will swap to this particular one. Then I'll click on swapping. So it's still showing swapping actually. So I've swapped to this wDUBHE, and I can still choose to swap to this X and W stars. So let me just do 0.00 something here too. Oh sorry, 0.02. Just to create volume, like I'm trying to create transaction to have volume on this testnet. So once I receive another faucet, I will keep on swapping and adding liquidity. So that's it. As you can see, this testnet is very simple. It's just swapping, bridging, and all of that. So now I have swapped on these two major tokens I'm seeing here. Now I'll come to this pool and create a pool, like adding liquidity to this pool. I'll click on create pool, select a base token. You can see what I swapped to. I can select any of these to provide liquidity because I swapped to them already. Then I can select this as well. Just select any. There's no particular order, just select anyone that you wish to. Okay, I think that was not working. Let me go back to here. Okay. So I'll just confirm the transaction and that's it. Okay, trying to create another liquidity pool was not going, so I'll just add liquidity to any of these three. This wSUI something. I can select any of this. Since creating was not working, I thought I could create. Enter the amount of token you wish to deposit. I'll choose 0.03. Then I'll click on add liquidity. Insufficient balance, not enough. Okay. Let me use 0.02. Okay, the reason why it was saying not enough something was because the quantity of wDUBHE that I have has to be equivalent to the quantity of wSUI the wrap SUI that I'm using to provide liquidity. I don't know if you understand that. That was just a quick observation. So that's it. So I've added liquidity to this particular pool. I can choose to do that with every other ones too. This WD something and the SUI W stars. So you can come to this portfolio to track your assets on this tab, as you can see. And for the bridging, you'll be able to bridge when you have at least 10 W. This one, the bridging will be open when you have at least 10 pieces of this one. So you'll be able to bridge, meaning that you have to keep swapping, requesting full faucet, the SUI faucet, and use it to do all of this wrap, swap, provide liquidity. By the time you end up to, you have up to WD something, this one, then you'll be able to use the bridge features or the bridge function. So that's a wrap for this merak-testnet airdrop on SUI blockchain. You should await subsequent updates, and stay tuned for my subsequent update as well. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification bell. You'll be notified of my back-to-back updates. This is a continuous process, especially because you need this wDUBHE to make use of the swap features. So see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to my channel. Turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified of my subsequent updates. Join my Telegram community and my WhatsApp channel. Check the link and the link to sign up in the description box of this video. See you guys on the next one, and bye for now.